Y'all already know what time it is when y'all see my handy dandy clicker. Getting to look a lot like Christmas. From the future, giving y'all the proper greeting that y'all deserve. If you know, you know. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tatiana Monet. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, what is up? Go ahead and follow me on my Instagram. It's gonna be at the bottom of the screen, business and personal. Also, shop my brand, bossmybeauty.com, on the screen and in the description box. Y'all already know the vibes. How y'all doing? How y'all feeling? What's goody? If you're interested in this vlog, just keep on watching. So right now, I'm actually getting these boxes together. Let me show you what the box look like. So I ordered these boxes off Amazon. Funny story, really not funny because I was kind of sad. I thought it was going to be the size to like hold like sunglasses and like small accessories, but clearly, what is this going to hold? So I didn't want to just throw them away. Of course I wasn't going to throw them away, but I didn't want to feel like I wasted my money by not using them at all. So I came to the conclusion I'm going to make them to like gift boxes since it is holiday season. My nose itch. I have bad allergies, but since it is like Christmas season, I'm gonna make this into like a little gift box. So what I did, put it together, and then I'm gonna put some crinkle cut paper in there. Let me plug y'all real quick if y'all don't know. So I know some people get their crinkle cut from the dollar store. That's good, especially if they had a color you need. And some people get it off Amazon, which is kind of more than my plug. So my plug, I go through Uline. I put it on the screen or in the description box. I don't know, it's gonna be somewhere where y'all can locate it. So with them, I love them because they ship same day or next day if you place your order before 6. It's either before 6 or before 4 p.m. If you place your order that day, they'll ship it the same day. But you get a 10-pound bag of crinkle cut paper. Well, it's a 10-pound box. It's a huge box. And it's like $30. I really cannot remember the price. I'm gonna put the price on the screen, but then y'all have to think shipping is expensive, especially with something that's 10 pounds and you get it the next day. But if you calculate it, you're saving way more money getting a 10-pound bag versus the little 1 pound off Amazon that'd be like $15. So keep that in mind. Just wanted to put that out there. Just put y'all on. But this is what it's gonna look like when I fill it up with the confetti. And then I'm gonna put 3 Boss Bombs in there. So let me show y'all. But I just put all 3 in here, basically. And to make this more personalized for my brand, I put a stamp on there. I'm gonna get the one stamp that you don't have to actually press down in the ink. Forgot the name of it. It's like my head is all over the place right now, y'all. Y'all gonna have to excuse that. But I just press it on here into my ink and press it onto the box. And this is how it looks. Boss Mom Beauty. It's just a little extra, you know, Shazam. So that's what I'm doing. Now for me to know exactly what's in this, I took my Dymo label printer, and I just printed out what goes in there. So this is the essentials. I just printed out essentials. Take the sticker off. Put it back of the box. So it's like I know. I don't have to open it to know what's in there. I just flip it on the back. Okay, this is the essentials trio. So fruity trio, essentials trio, and then I'm doing a fall trio right now. So I just want to prepare all this stuff so I don't have to worry about it later. So that's just what I'm doing right now. I took a nap today. I took a nap. It was only like 45 minutes though. More of a story. It's 1:36 in the morning and I'm air frying me some chicken and making some rice. Like, Shaking my head. And guess who is up? Whoa. Guess who is up? See, I took a nap too. So I'm about to eat. Put him in the tub. I don't know if he gonna eat before or after he get in the tub, cause I feel like he kind of sleepy. But the food is like, it just got done. Like the air fryer just went off like a couple seconds ago, and I'm still cooking the rice. So I might just put him in the tub, and then when he get out, feed him a little bit, cause he ain't gonna eat that much for real. It's 2 o'clock in the morning, basically. But yeah. Y'all already know what time it is when y'all see my handy dandy clicker. The sun is like about to go down, probably in about 30 minutes. So I'm about to see if I can take some good pics. Also, see if I can catch golden hour. If you know, you know. But yeah, about to go outside and take some pics. Wearing my brand new Boss Mom crew neck that just dropped Black Friday. Yeah, so shop now. Car. I just need to vent to y'all really quick. Just look at the weather real quick, and then I'm gonna vent to y'all. But I don't vent and drive in weather like this, so I'm about to get to y'all. So I just pulled up to the post office. I'm about to drop these packages off really quick. It's so bad outside. Our lights is out. It's sick. Like it's a lot, and it's like. So basically, more of the story is I'm about to go to my mama's house. That's why I look like this, just a bonnet on and a coat. But I'm about to go to her house because they still got lights. Where's my mask at? So, get back though. This is so crazy. Story of my life. Let me start my car. I look crazy. Oh my gosh. What's wrong with me? Why would I come out like this? I wasn't planning on seeing nobody. Honestly, I was just going to go to the box. But one of my packages is too big to fit in the box. Crazy that our lights is off. I know ours is not the only ones that's off though. But it's just sad for everyone. Like, in this weather. And it's like, oh my goodness. Because y'all know, with lights, it's everything. Like, I have electric stuff, so that means we can't cook. We can't see nothing. And then the water was cold, too. Like, and it's December 1st. Who would want to welcome in the 1st like this? I'm about to go to my mom's house. And, you know, stay the night over there. Hopefully, things come on in a timely fashion, but it's really upsetting me and my homegirl.
Upsetting me and my homegirl, because we feel like, well, damn, if you can't go to bed on no chase, what the hell could you go?
Luckily, it's cold outside because our food is not going to go bad, but it's like, you feel me? So, a lot like Christmas. Let me stop. This looks so nice, but the freaking feelings behind it is unmatched. It's not. So our lights are back on. They came on at like 7:30. Javante called me. I was at my mom's house, and he told me the lights was back on. So we back home, and that's that. I feel so much better. You're not even gonna eat these. Here. Me from the future, giving y'all a proper outro. Now, was that not crazy? Like, y'all just seen, what was it? My other vlog, and our power went out. And then it went out again. It wasn't even like, was it a week? I don't even think it was a week in between the power outages. But yet again, we made it through. Thanks so much for watching, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, shout my brand. I'm out.